Is a weak hip causing your hip pain, knee pain, IT band pain? Here's a simple test that you can figure out really quickly if that is the case.
If you're an athlete, you should be able to hold a star side plank where just the bottom leg is supporting you and you're moving the top leg up and down. You should be able to complete 30 reps here without any issue, and then do so on both sides. If you're an active individual who enjoys walking or running, then you should be able to hold this star side plank from the knee and be able to complete 30 total reps both sides.
If either of those exercises leaves your hips feeling like jello when you get back up standing, then you can start to assume that hip weakness may be a contributing factor to your hip pain, knee pain, or IT band pain. And guess what's great about that test? It's actually the solution for it. If you're struggling with that, then you should probably program those exercises into your workout routines more often so that you can get a stronger lateral hip. More specifically, you're working the glute med when you're doing this exercise, and it's a great exercise that you should be strong in if you want to live an athlete or active lifestyle. Comment down below how you did, and then let us know any other test exercises or injuries that you want us to review. If you'd like us to help with your individualized training program that helps keeping you injury-free in an active lifestyle. If you want my help specifically to help you overcome maybe some injuries or past chronic issues that you've been dealing with, send me an email, greg@sportsrehabexpert.com, and we can discuss what working together and developing a personalized program looks for you online together.